everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia, and please take a second to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you don't miss another video. So for today's video, I'm super excited because first of all, I have been dying to do a Flexi-Rod set for the longest. They just take some time, but I've been looking to switch it up and just, I don't know, regular wash and goes can get boring sometimes. I love my curls, but sometimes your girl wants to switch it up. So today I'm going to be testing out two new styling products, and we're going to be testing it out in a Flexi-Rod set. So I know it's kind of a bold move because I like to stick to what I know, but I have a good feeling about this one, and I feel like you guys will also enjoy it. It's a good switch up, and it's a good way to see if these products are versatile enough to work in a Flexi-Rod setting. So I'm not going to blow dry my hair. I most likely will just wash my hair and then put it in a towel and do it that way. I know it takes a lot longer to dry that way, but we're going to make it happen. We're going to make this work. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I actually had to refilm this the following day. I know I mentioned that I was gonna go upstairs and I was gonna wash my hair and then come back down to prep for these Flexi-Rods. But let me tell you guys, I went upstairs, came down, I was ready. I was out here with all the products that I use so I can kind of give you guys more of like a detailed little review as to what I used, how my hair feels, all of that, right? So I'm here talking to my camera. I'm like, hey guys, like this is what I used. I used this to shampoo. I used this as my leave-in, and now we're gonna go ahead and do the Flexi-Rods. So as I was explaining the products, then my viewfinder went black and I was just like, is it okay? Like, are we good here? And since it's a new camera, I didn't think anything of it. I was just like, you know what? There's a very good chance that this is what it does. I don't know. And I looked and realized that everything that I said was gone. It never happened, and now we're here. So what I ended up doing was just going to bed and refreshing my hair in the morning, aka just wetting it because I didn't do anything else to it. So now I'm gonna be able to share exactly what I used, all of that. So take two. Before we get into this video, I do want to give a special thank you to CurlSmith for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to be sharing the Strength Recipe collection products with you guys. So what I ended up using yesterday to wash my hair was the CurlSmith Core Strength Shampoo. Now, I used to be that person that whenever a new line would drop a shampoo, I would buy everything but the shampoo. And it's not that I don't cleanse my hair, because I am very adamant on cleansing my hair since I do use silicones, but I'm one of those people that if it ain't broke, I'm not gonna fix it. But I decided to be more open as of last year, and I am absolutely obsessed with shampoos now. Like, I'm always on a hunt to find the right shampoo, the ones that actually cleanse my hair without making it feel stripped, the ones that I can even try to finger detangle while the shampoo's in my hair. Now, I typically don't do that, but there's some shampoos that have like this weird slip that kind of allows you to kind of like run your fingers through your hair, which is a little strange, but I love it. And this shampoo, bomb. It smells so freaking good, and it's very gentle on the hair, but it cleanses real nice. And it's one of those shampoos that a little goes a long way, and I don't like to be that person that's like applying shampoo, putting it on my hair, and nothing happens. This one lathers up really nice, smells really good, it's very gentle on the hair, and it helps strengthen your hair in the process. If you're someone who has somewhat damaged hair, or if you're someone who feels like you lack protein, there are days where my hair also needs some protein, I would normally go ahead and just lean over to this line because it does contain protein, but it's not a highly concentrated amount, so it's safe to be used every week. But what I will say is that it left my hair feeling super soft, and I absolutely love that in a shampoo. So I definitely will be reaching over to this shampoo, especially when my hair feels a little kind of blah and I just want a little bit of strength to it. I definitely will go ahead and grab this one. Again, like I said, a little goes a long way. It smells really nice, and it's very gentle on the hair. So this is what I shampooed with. And then I followed up with a 3-in-1 product that I absolutely love as well. I have yet to find a CurlSmith product that I don't like. And I think I said this multiple times, but every time they drop a product, they never fail me. So the next product I'm gonna share with you guys is the Multitasking Conditioner. This product right here is a 3-in-1 conditioner that can be used as a rinse out, a deep conditioner, and or a leave-in. So I went ahead and actually used it as a rinse out, and then I reapplied it to leave it as a leave-in. Another product that is filled with moisture, makes your curls feel super duper soft, It was very, very easy to detangle with this product, and I really, really enjoyed it. I didn't think I was actually gonna use it as a rinse out, but I did wanna give you guys my thoughts on it as a leave-in as well as a rinse out. Bomb rinse out. Let me tell you, I didn't use it as a deep conditioner because I didn't have time to deep condition. I already deep conditioned like 3 days ago, so I didn't feel like my hair needed to be deep conditioned. So I went ahead and just used it as a rinse out and then reapplied it and left it in my hair. So it's kind of like deep conditioning without rinsing it out. So I just kept it in. So if you do decide to use it either of these ways, they do have instructions on the back on how to use them. So if you use it as a conditioner, they recommend that you leave it on for 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse it out to instantly detangle. Now I'm somebody who leaves it in my hair and then detangles and then rinses it out. So if you want to use it as a conditioner, you can do it that way. Or if you're somebody who likes to add it as a conditioner, then detangle. Do whatever works for you. They also have the option if you want to leave it as a deep conditioner, you leave it on for 15 to 30 minutes, then you rinse it, and it's gonna help deeply nourish and replenish your strands. And if you were to use this as a leave-in, it recommends that you rake through wet, freshly washed hair to help maintain moisture and plump curls till your next wash day. So that's what we're gonna do today. I did use it as a rinse out, and I'm going to use it as a leave-in for today's Flexi-Rod set. In addition to using the multitasking conditioner, I am gonna be pairing it with one of their lightweight gels. I'm gonna be using their Shape Up Aqua Gel. This gel claims to have a light hold, so don't expect a lot of hold from this product. I know a lot of people always say, oh my God, this gel didn't do anything to my hair. It's specifically telling you that it is a lightweight hold. I did use it on a wash and go, and I did really enjoy the hold that it gave me. It was not a super hold, and it does not leave a cast. At least it didn't leave a cast for me because my hair literally drinks up every ounce of product that is thrown into it. It left me soft, fluffy curls. I'll go ahead and insert a little clip so you guys can see how my curls were left. And it gave me, I want to say, hold for about 3 to 4 days for my liking. So with that being said, since I did like the way it looked during a wash and go, I was like, you know what, let's try this in a Flexi-Rod set. Because first of all, I haven't done one in such a long time, so I figured let's try these products. We're gonna be doing a Flexi-Rod set with these 2 products, so let's find out how this works. Okay guys, so since my hair is freshly washed, detangled, and contains some leave-in, we're gonna go ahead and section off our hair. What I like to do is 3 sections, so I split my hair in half and then do 3 sections, 1 in the front, 1 in the center, and then 1 at the bottom on both sides. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay guys, so now that my hair is sectioned off, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the multitasking conditioner. Now I know I said I applied it to all of my hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and add it to my sections as well. Last time I did a Flexi-Rod set, I found that I finished so much quicker when I applied product to the entire section and then created subsections for each of the Flexi-Rod sets. Now, what you can go ahead and do, make sure you're gentle with, make sure that you're gentle. So my hair right now is about 40% dry. I know it looks like it's more dry, but it's really not. So I like to add product to the entire section. Then we're gonna go ahead and use some of the gel for the entire section as well. It is a very lightweight gel, as you guys can see. It is very, very watery. Like, it is just really watery. So I figured it would be perfect for a Flexi-Rod set. I'm gonna brush that all in. So now each huge section has product. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is take my first section at the bottom. And this is pretty small, but I'm probably gonna start off with this size. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the gel. So what you're gonna do is just feel out each section and just go with what it feels like it needs. So if it feels kind of dry, go ahead and add a little bit of the conditioner and then go ahead and add some of the gel if needed. So I'm gonna use these gray ones. I'll find the actual diameter of each one. But you wanna make sure you apply it to your ends. You make sure your ends are nice and wrapped, because if you tuck them nicely, they will curl nicely. And I like to twist, roll, and twist. And that's my first one. So as you saw, I'm just gonna repeat the same exact thing throughout the rest of my hair. As I feel it's needed, I'll go ahead and add more of the conditioner as well as the gel. But you wanna make sure at those ends, have enough gel so that it wraps around the Flexi-Rod and it's just wrapped nicely around the Flexi-Rod, because if it starts to like stick up and it's not nicely wrapped, then your ends are gonna look hella crazy when you unravel them. Okay guys, so I completed all of my Flexi-Rods and they went on smoothly, very easy. I do feel like some sections are super wet because of the gel. So I'm actually gonna sit under, well, I'm gonna add the hooded attachment to my blow dryer and start editing this video while my hair is drying. But I don't think that I'm gonna be able to unravel them today. Hopefully I could. If not, I might have to sleep with them, which means that I'm not gonna have the comfiest sleep, but that's okay. Honestly, I'd rather unravel these dry than to just not, because when you unravel them wet, it is the biggest waste of time you can have. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to dry these up and hopefully unravel them tonight. If not, I'll unravel them tomorrow. But yeah, this is what my hair is looking like right now. I will keep you guys posted as my hair dries. What my hair is looking like upon removing the Flexi-Rods. Of course, I have a lot of shrinkage going on right now. So I'm excited to separate each and every one of these and kind of see what my hair looks like. But just upon removing, you can see how shiny and how moisturized my strands look. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab an oil and start separating my curls. Okay guys, so I put my hair into these little ponytails. This is what I normally do to stretch out my hair. So I've showed you guys in other videos, but I figured I'd show you guys now. There's no actual, like, I have to part it perfectly. You just take 2 sections from the front and 2 from the back, and then, yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove them. Okay, so we're fully fluffed as far as I'm going to fluff, because you know over the course of the next few days your hair gets bigger and bigger. But look at these results, guys. Do you guys see this shine? It's so soft, so fluffy. Ooh. This is literally what I was looking for. Soft, fluffy, bomb results. Honestly, sleeping uncomfortable for a little bit is always worth it when your results turn out like this. Because look at these curls, guys. I could fluff it more, but I'm gonna let it just get bigger on its own. I love it. Love it. So that goes to show that you can use CurlSmith products as well for rod sets. So I'd love to try them in perm rod sets, but at least we know. It's confirmed that for Flexi-Rod sets, they're definitely a go. I could go ahead and flip it, switch it up a little bit. Maybe I will flip it. I never do a side part, I always do a middle part. Imagine, ooh, this is so cute. How do you guys like it? Do you guys like a side part or a middle part? Let me know. So yeah guys, all I did was do the 2 sections in the front and then 2 at the bottom, and then I ran over to go get a COVID test, and I had my hair in a ponytail, but like a very loose ponytail, so it was kind of holding all the hair down like this just to stretch out the front and the bottom. And then I ended up using my pick and just fluffing away, and these are my results for now. I could make them bigger, but I do like the definition that I have, and I don't want to make them too like fluffy, you know? I like the way they look, so we're gonna keep them like that. So yeah, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment it down below. Let me know which part you guys prefer. Do you guys like a middle part, or did you guys like the little flip thing? My hair is just so not used to being flipped that it just flips right back. Ooh, this is definitely different. It's definitely different. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.